Hi guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. If you're new to this community, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification button. It's just to ensure anytime I upload contents like this, you'll be the very first person to see it. Also, do follow me on all my social media platforms. I've got the links down in the description section, and do shop all your quality hair ranging from hair bundles, closures, frontals, eyelashes and wigs from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. I am excited to make this sugar wax. Let me talk you through the things you need, including the ingredients to make this. So first is the popsicle stick and the stirrer, but I'm using the popsicle stick as a stirrer as well. Then you need a microwavable container and also a measuring container. Now for today, I'm using just 2 of these measurements, which is the tablespoon measurement and half a cup measurement. We will also need lemon juice. Now you can use the juice straight from the fruit, but this is what I have got, so that is what I'm using. And then also you need white granulated sugar. You can get this from your local grocery store. Let's start making the sugar wax. So we'll start off with half a cup of white sugar. Once you get the measurement right, you pour it into your microwavable container. And then next, you put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, like so. Just be careful with this so you don't spill it. Fantastic. And next, let's put in 2 tablespoons of water. Once you're all done, you want to give it a good mix. Now I want to say, make sure when you are doing this, you do it in a bigger container so it doesn't spill, especially when it's in the microwave. It can bubble up, the heat makes it bubble up and you might lose some of the mixture. So use a bigger container. So we'll now chop it into the microwave. I started with 1 minute. Because you want to build up the heat in bits. In total, I did this for 3 minutes, but the performance of my microwave may be different from yours. Yours may be more powerful than mine. So heat it up in bits or cook it up in bits, just to make sure you don't undercook it or you don't overcook it. So I brought it out, gave it a good stir, but I could see that there was some sugar at the bottom. So I chuck it back in to the microwave, like so. And then again, I pressed 1 minute. To be sure I'm not overcooking it, because my microwave is so powerful. So that's it ended now. I'll just take it out and see how it's doing. Please be careful because it's hot. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads. Again, I bring it out to give it a good mix. It's properly dissolved now. Let's talk about the benefits of the key ingredients. Lemon, which contains vitamin C, helps to reduce skin damage and premature aging. And then sugar stimulates cell regeneration, making the skin look younger. So now, for the third time, I put the mixture back into the microwave. And then once again, I set the timer for 1 minute. Yes. Now I'm waiting for the 1 minute to be over. So halfway through the 1 minute, I open up to check. As you can see, it's really boiling. I brought it up close. And oh, I love the color. It's golden brown. It's looking nice. Yet it still wasn't ready. So I chuck it in again. So in all, this was done for 3 minutes altogether in the microwave. I love the consistency. I love the color. That is exactly how I want it. So now it's just left with it cooling off. So I set the timer. I need it to cool for 30 minutes. So almost 20 minutes into the cooling, I checked my wax. And ooh, I love this. It looks amazing. It looks jammy. It looks honey-like. It's just the consistency I wanted it. Once you grab it, it just falls off jelly-like. And when it gathers at a section, it just slowly moves back. So this is the area we are going to wax. That's my hand or my arm or whatever you want to call it. So yes, these are my hairs. And yeah, what I do first is to put powder on it. You want to make sure you do this step so that the wax can firmly grip your hairs and pull it out straight from the roots. Now you want to put the wax on a white cloth like so and put it at the area you want to wax. Firmly spread it on. Once you know it's got a firm grip, you pull it the opposite direction that your hair grows. Take note, it's the opposite direction your hair grows. And then you take it off like so. Really quick. I must say, guys, this actually hurts a bit. It's not really painful like a professional wax, but you feel a bit of, you know, pulling off of your hair, but it's bearable, trust me. So yes, as you can see, the result is very visible. It does work. With the measurements I gave, this mixture lasts me about 2 to 3 days. So if you want to make it for the whole week or even more, you just double or triple the measurements for the ingredients. Now I transfer the rest to a clean container and cling film it and keep it in the fridge basically. And if you want to reuse it, you microwave it, make it cool off and apply it again. Thanks so much for watching this entire video. Please let me know how you get on with using this sugar wax down in the comment section. Do take care and goodbye.